Yo, what's up, guys? Today I just got my mock test results. And bro, I thought I was gonna get like, top of the class. But the teacher was like, we need more hard work. Bruh, I did the hard work. I studied, okay, maybe not that much, but still. So first paper, SST, Islamiyat, and Urdu. I got 3750. Like, I literally wrote the correct answers. Teacher read them and she was like, let me just cut marks for fun. Then the second one, science, English, and I don't know what math was doing there. I got 4550. Decimals. But I still survived. Add them up and boom, 77.5, 100. Not bad, not good. Just you tried. You know the teacher's right. Need more hard work. You want me to study 25 hours a day? But you know what? Next time, I'm getting full marks. And teachers will be like, oh wow, he finally used his brain. So yeah, guys, pray for me. Mock test done, final exams loading, and stress is already installing.